Welcome to Uline's service and maintenance video series. In this video we will show the proper cleaning process for your Uline Craft Clear ice machine. Every 3000 cycles, CL will show on the display, meaning the machine needs to be cleaned. Mineral buildup can occur over time. Cleaning helps ensure proper operation of the machine. If you live in an area with poor water quality, it is recommended to clean the machine more frequently. Use only Uline recommended cleaner, and follow all label warnings and directions. Using non-approved cleaner can damage the product and void warranty. Order Uline Nickel Safe Ice Machine Cleaner at u-line.com. Before beginning the cleaning process, press and hold the power icon for 3 seconds. Off will now display on the control. Next, remove all ice from the ice bin. Drain the water from the reservoir by removing the plug located at the bottom of the reservoir. After the water has drained, replace the plug firmly back into place. If there is still a slab of ice on the evaporator plate, allow it to release onto the grid cutter and remove from the machine. Any ice embedded into the grid cutter wires must be allowed to melt. Trying to remove embedded ice will break the grid cutter wires. To begin the cleaning cycle, press the power icon to turn the unit on. Then hold the swirl icon for 10 seconds to show CL on the display. Lift and remove the fascia cover and splash shield to expose the evaporator plate. Pour 2 to 4 ounces of cleaning solution slowly onto the evaporator plate, letting it flow down into the fresh water reservoir. The cleaning cycle will last approximately 45 minutes. While the cleaning cycle is running, wipe down the inside of the unit with a cleaning cloth and mild soapy water, then replace the splash shield and fascia cover. Ice will automatically begin to produce when the cleaning cycle is complete. We recommend discarding the first 2 batches of ice produced after cleaning to ensure the freshest ice. Now you're ready to enjoy your favorite bourbon, whiskey, or spirits on the rocks. Thanks for choosing Uline.